Let's name some pet and farm animals in Bisaya. Let's start with pets. Cat. Iring. Iring. Dog. Iro. Iro. Bird. Langgam. Langgam. Rabbit. Conejo. Conejo. Rat. Ilaga. Ilaga. Now, let's talk about some farm animals. Chicken. Manok. Manok. Cow. Baka. Baka. Horse. Kabayo. Kabayo. Duck. Itik. Itik. Pig. Baboy. Baboy. Sheep. Carnero. Carnero. Goat. Kanding. Kanding. Let's look at our pets again. We have Iro, Conejo, Iring, Ilaga, Langgam. Now let's look at our farm animals. We have Baka, Kabayo, Kanding, Carnero, Manok, Itik, and Baboy. I hope you had fun learning all about animals. Keep on learning!